Everything you think you know about learning AI is probably what's holding you back. I know because I did everything right. I bought the top-rated AI courses, watched hours of tutorials, took pages of notes, and after spending over $1,000, I still couldn't do anything with it. Seriously, I'd sit in front of my screen, open ChatGPT, and just stare. What I didn't realize was that I was making 7 deadly mistakes that made AI feel 10x harder than it actually is. And chances are, you're making at least 3 of them right now. This one mistake alone kept me stuck for 3 months, and no one in the AI world talks about it. At one point, I was juggling Midjourney, ChatGPT, Notion AI, Claude, and even some random Discord bot I can't even remember the name of. I was addicted to trying every new tool. It felt exciting. But little did I know, that very habit was destroying my progress. I was confusing exploration with execution. It's like trying to master tennis, football, basketball, and cricket at the same time. You'll never win in any of them if you try to learn all of them at once. What finally clicked for me was this: mastering one tool deeply crushes knowing 10 tools shallowly. But the way I finally got consistent results with AI, it had nothing to do with the tools. Everyone is obsessed with prompts and plugins. But the real game changer? Workflow thinking. I remember learning all these prompt templates, how to write better, faster, smarter inputs. I had Google Docs filled with formulas, but when I faced a real problem at work, I froze. It's like learning every guitar chord and never playing an actual song. I focused on features, not flows. I knew what the tools could do, but I didn't know when or why to use them. And that was costing me hours, every day. And the biggest mistake of all, it almost made me give up on AI entirely. Here's what really happens when you try to learn AI from YouTube tutorials. I spent weeks watching free videos. The problem? No one told me what I was doing wrong, no feedback, no corrections, just me and my confusion. It's like trying to become a surgeon by watching Grey's Anatomy. You think you're learning, but you're not applying, not integrating, and definitely not evolving. And that was the turning point. Because everything changed when I stopped collecting info and started building systems. Instead of watching another tutorial, I picked one tool, and I committed to using it for one real-world task, every day, for 2 weeks. No perfection, just repetition. And in 1 month, my productivity doubled. I automated tasks that used to take hours. Co-workers started asking me for AI help, and I'm not alone. Mark, a project manager who joined my system, cut 6 hours off his weekly workload. Sarah, a startup founder, used what I taught to cut her content costs by 80%. And here's the crazy part: I'm not a techie. I still call IT when the printer stops working. But now, I get called the AI guy at my company. Why? Because I finally had what most learners don't: structure, guidance, and accountability. Think about it. You wouldn't learn to drive by watching car videos. You'd want someone next to you, guiding, correcting, supporting. And that's what most AI learners are missing. Not only do you need step-by-step direction, but you also need someone who's made the mistakes for you. Someone who's built the path. Not another playlist, but a process. Not more noise, but a narrative. Not information, but implementation. You might be thinking, but I don't have time to learn all this. Honestly, neither did I. That's why I stopped learning everything and focused on just one use case for 15 to 30 minutes a day. Or maybe you're worried, I'm not tech savvy enough. You don't need to be. You need a proven path that walks you through it, like GPS for AI skills. Everything I've shared so far, that's just the setup. The real shift happened when I discovered the one missing link that ties all of this together. And that missing piece? It's inside a short, exclusive video I put together that you can watch for completely free. This video reveals the core strategy I used to master AI in just 90 days, start delivering results at work, and turn AI into an actual career advantage. This strategy isn't in any course, not in any other video on YouTube, not even in this script, because what I reveal in that video, it's the 10% that separates those who dabble in AI from those who win with it. You already have 90% of what you need. This video gives you the final 10%, the part that makes all the difference. But I can't guarantee how long it'll be up, because when too many people start using this, the edge disappears. Click on this video and watch it before I take it down. Get the missing piece, and become the AI expert your team turns to in the next 90 days, before someone else does.